Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we are unboxing a fun new light from Godox. This one here is the Godox FL15Bi. So I have with me a new light here from Godox. This is the FL15Bi. They advertise this as a bi-color LED video flashlight. So it's a new sort of form factor for Godox. They haven't really released one that's like this before. On the back here, it has a few features. Firstly, it says a versatile bi-color output. So it is a bi-color light. You can change the color temperature. You've also got dual mode functionality, which we'll look at shortly. You've got app wireless control with the Godox Light app, and you also have a modular accessory system. Let's take a look at what's included. So first things first is the FL15Bi in this plastic here. You also have a carry pouch. You've got the user guide. And you have some lighting modifiers in here. Let's take a look at what they are. The first one is what looks like a barn door. Put that back on. And also a collapsible lens reflector. And last but not least, you've also got a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So here we have it. This is the FL15Bi. So you can see the form factor is pretty unique. It's not quite a torch and it's also not quite a continuous light. It's a bit of both actually. So it has two modes. This can act as a continuous light, an LED light. It is quite an accurate light. It has a CRI rating of 97 and a TLCI rating of 98. So most definitely can be used in video and also photo. The form factor, however, lends itself more to a torch style light. So it does have a torch mode as well, which allows you to sort of tap on and off the light. And this is actually perfect when using this for creative things such as light painting, which Godox have demonstrated in some of their videos of this light here. So you can use it as a continuous light source as well as a torch. It does have an internal lithium-ion battery that is 4,750 milliamp hours. That gives you about 1 hour runtime with the light itself. The light takes about 2.5 hours to charge. It does have that USB Type-C charging port at the back here. The light is waterproof rated up to IP54. And you also have a sleeve that's included. So they've got a sleeve here that you can use. It's a silicone sleeve that you can use to mount or put onto this light here. It has a belt clip or a sort of clip here at the back, as well as a 1/4 inch 20 thread at the bottom. So you can mount this to light stands, camera tripods, any sort of mounting options that you have. You also have a lever here, or a sliding unlock lever here that allows you to mount lighting modifiers, which we have two included here. This one here is like a silicon reflector. It's a collapsible one, so you can have it positioned collapsed like that, which offers a wide throw. You can have it mid-collapsed, which offers more of a sort of narrower throw, and then fully out like so, which is gonna offer you the narrowest throw of them all with this particular light. So this mount is quite unique, and you can just mount that straight onto the light here. Similar to one of Godox's own Godox mounts or a Bowen's mount. So that just twists to lock in like that. And that changes the light source throw immediately. So you can see there it's kind of more spot on the table. As I go mid, it widens the spot a little bit. And if I go all the way collapsed, it makes it even wider just like that onto the table. It's a pretty simple light to control. You've got a power button here, which also toggles your modes, on and off button, and that shows the battery indicator on the screen. And then you've just got plus or minus to change the color temp. Now this is a bi-color light, so you can go from 2800 Kelvin all the way up to 5600 or 6500 Kelvin. So you have a bit of a range there to work with. And as mentioned, you can toggle between the torch mode as well. So you can change, firstly, you can change the intensity from 0 to 100%. And now it's on torch mode. So you just need to double tap the mode button, and that puts you on torch mode. And you can see as I hold the plus button, it turns on or off depending on if I hold it. So if you're going to be using this for light painting, you can hold it down, do your light painting, and then release, and then that will ultimately give you your light painting effect for that photo or long exposure. You've got the USB Type-C charging port there at the bottom, which I can show you there. And you also have a little lanyard mounting point here just towards the bottom. Now at the bottom here of the light and also at the top, you've got some vents. The bottom has a fan, and the top has more of a airflow pass-through, as well as the heat sink that you can see on the inside there. And overall, it's just a really unique design. You can also cut the light even more. This is a magnetic barn door that you can cut the light and shape the light as you need to. So let's turn this on. There we go. So if I wanted to cut this light even more, say if I wanted it wide and I wanted to flag it off a little bit with the barn door, you can see I can make it a bit more of a square shaped light instead of a round shaped light using the barn door. So you can cut the light a bit more with this light. Now, one unique thing that we have found is this mount for the FL15Bi, although it looks new, is actually one that we've seen before, and that's because it is the same mount as the Lux Master flash from Godox. So what we discovered is the Lux Master flash is the same mount, and you can actually use some of those mounting accessories or modifiers for the Lux Master with the FL15Bi, so that's cool. The Lux Master has a large silver reflector, so if you wanted to amplify this light source, you could do that. Now this is really lightweight and portable. It's only about 253 grams, so it is lightweight, it's not too heavy. It is quite sturdy. It's got that waterproof rating of IP54, so you can bring this with you in pretty much all scenarios. So if you just wanted a light source to bring with you, maybe you're outdoors in low light situations, maybe you just need a torch, I think this is a nice accessory to have, especially if you are a content creator, video producer, or if you just need a light source in a pinch. So I've just mounted the sleeve there. You can see it actually adds a bit of grip, so that's nice. There are some cutouts there just for the belt clip and also the vents, the cooling vents. But yeah, it actually does block the fan vent somewhat, so I wouldn't suggest using this for extended periods. It's probably more of just a protection sleeve or one that you can use if you know that you're going into wet weather or something like that. And it's probably just a nice little accessory to have. And to mount this on once again for the whole setup with all the accessories included. There we go. That's the whole setup with the sleeve included. So that was our quick unboxing and review of the Godox FL15Bi. It's another nice entry for Godox for their LED range. They're obviously expanding the range and to have different light sources for different needs or different purposes. This is a fun, creative one to use if you're going to be doing a bit of light painting. It's a nice portable light. The form factor is nice, being a torch light form factor. It does have that mounting thread there, so you can mount it to stands or mounts, boom arms, tripods, and also that belt clip, so it's nice and portable to use. You have the light modifiers, which is a nice inclusion. A lot of torches like this that you can simply buy off Amazon and eBay likely won't have any way to modify the use of the light. And then obviously being a Godox light, you know it's going to be color accurate and perfect for video or photo creation needs. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the FL15Bi. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.